Hey, I'm Dr. Cameron, and I'm going about my day today. I'm just here to talk to you about a couple things. So the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is we're going to talk about dental care for animals. So I'm a general practice vet. That's what I do. I'm GP only. So I do a lot of dentistry. So as a GP vet, I am the OBGYN, the pediatrician, and I'm also the dentist for patients. And people always get so surprised that their cat or dog has dental issues. And it's kind of like with us. If we didn't brush our teeth every day, if we didn't go to the dentist, every 6 months to a year, just to get checked out, we would have some pretty serious dental disease. And so I encourage all of you that have pets, that love their pets, that want to take care of them, talk to your general practice vet. See what you could be doing for your dog or cat's oral care. Some of it is more you have to do at home. So I don't want to speak for all vets out there. Every vet has kind of their own little twist to taking care of dental health. But look at there is a veterinary organization that is like the dental council for all of veterinary medicine, and they put out guidelines for owners on these are the treats that you can use for your pet to help with dental care. These are the mouth rinses if you can't brush your teeth. So go to the Veterinary Oral Health Council, VOHC. They have a really great website with a really great list of products that you can look into. And also ask your GP vet, ask your vet what is going on, what can I do in my dog's life or cat's life or guinea pig's life or any of our mammals that have teeth. Obviously birds and reptiles are different. But what can I be doing for my animals' teeth to make them healthier? And usually the GP vet will be able to look at the diet, look at what you're doing at home for routine maintenance to help you know what to do. And at some point, no matter how good you take care of your pet's teeth, sometimes genetics play a role, and certain dogs are more prone to dental disease. So those patients might need dental cleaning. They might need a dental procedure where teeth need to be removed. We remove teeth in veterinary medicine because their teeth are too small to do root canals. We cannot do a root canal. So if there is too much dental disease, if there is too much disease on the tooth, or if the process is too bad to save the tooth, then your veterinarian will make the decision to take the teeth. And they don't make that decision lightly. They don't like taking out all the teeth in a dog or cat's mouth. It's just that that's the best way that we've found so far in veterinary medicine to protect your pet's teeth. Now, obviously, in veterinary medicine, we are sometimes 50, 20 years behind human medicine. At some point, we'll figure out that technology. At some point, we'll get there. But it's a little bit of the checks and balances, right? Doing a root canal on a person is really expensive. Can you afford to do that on a dog and cat? Is it worth it? And so there are these checks and balances that your vet makes kind of on your behalf because they are the professional. So they have been trained that this is right now what is considered standard of care, and this is what is recommended by veterinary dentists in the US. Now, just have a conversation with your vet at the annual exam. What can I be doing? Is there anything I could be doing more at home? I can't do more at home. I don't have enough time. What about a dental cleaning? Have those conversations now. And vets at the same time start those conversations too. I don't like doing the dentals where I pour every single teeth. So I try to have that conversation early. I try to put it on their radar, hey, your dog or cat is having more dental disease. Can we please have this conversation now? Start working on those dental treats at home. Start working on that thing at home, because I would rather your dog or cat not need a dental, but sometimes we can't avoid it. So that's my that's my point of view as a general practice vet, that if you have a dog or cat that needs a dental or needs more dental care, reach out to your local vet and reach out to online sources that are reliable. Make sure they are veterinary approved. Make sure your veterinarian recommends them. Don't just read anything on the internet, because it's not always put out there by a veterinarian. Sometimes it's put out there by someone who doesn't have that level of training looking out for your pet's overall body health, overall long-term health. And sometimes people don't always understand the checks and balances that come to play when it comes to dental care. So with that, I'm just your GP vet. I'm headed about my day. I'm about to actually go do a couple dentals on some of my patients, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.